Hi, welcome to this exciting course. In this course, we're going to learn all about the Go Microservice, where we will be going to cover a lot of advanced topics just like message broker and gRPC communications and how Elasticsearch is working, how synchronous and asynchronous communications are working, service discovery, API gateway, observability, monitoring, and a lot of stuff is going to happen. End of the course, we're going to cover about the AWS infrastructure as well as what are the AWS skills you need to gain as a backend engineer. All of this topic we are going to cover in this course. Yes, if you're looking for advance your skill in the Go ecosystem, that's really very good deal for you. And if you're new to this Go ecosystem, I would recommend we have another series as well as, and that is already available in YouTube and on our the online learning platform as well as, where you can learn the basic Go ecosystem. And we have built something in monolithic way. The similar kind of application also we are going to build right here, but this time it is in microservice way. We're going to break it down, all of the application modules and everything in the microservice architecture. And we will see how all of the microservices are working together to get the job done. And eventually we're going to deploy all of these things in AWS infrastructure behind the API gateway, with the help of like authorization and the authentication, everything we are going to set it up right there. So that means like end of the course, you'll be going to learn everything, whatever you need to know as a Go engineer, right? So end of the course, you can definitely land a job as a senior Go engineer or senior Go developer anywhere in the world. All right, then see you in the course. Thank you.